Hello, friends. Welcome to AQBIS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss about Amul honey product. So we have heard about Amul milk. We have heard about other dairy products of Amul, but you might not have heard about Amul honey product. So this product it has been launched recently, and it was launched by Agricultural Minister Mr. Tomar. So this particular product it was launched with the support of National Bee Board. Now, National Bee Board it is also a society and it is managed by a Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium. So, this National Bee Board this is also important, and this product was launched with the support of National Bee Board. Now, since we are talking about Amul, you should know little bit about Amul as well. Amul it is a cooperative society and it is managed by Gujarat Cooperative Marketing Federation Limited. So this Amul, it has been instrumental in making India world's largest producer of milk. So we know what Amul has done for this country as far as the white revolution is concerned. Now they have come up with this new product which is Amul honey. Now during this launch, Agriculture Minister he emphasized on the importance of national beekeeping and health mission. He said this mission it is going to be very crucial in doubling the farmers income, because this mission actually it was launched to increase the farmers income, and 500 crore was allocated for this particular mission. Moreover, he said that Prime Minister Modi he had the desire of launching sweet revolution from the soil of Gujarat. So this dream it is getting fulfilled now, because India has started the journey of fulfilling the dream of sweet revolution. So from the exams perspective, your focus should be on National Bee Board, because this product it has come out with the support of this board, and you must know about National Beekeeping and Honey Mission. This is also important. Remember that it was launched to double the farmers' income, and 500 crore was allocated under this mission. Okay, so all these facts I wanted to discuss in today's session. If you have liked this video, if you have find it useful, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye. Thank you very much.